Okay, today we're going to work on the American preposition for and how that's used in English, at least in the United States. So the preposition for, spelled F-O-R, can be used to indicate purpose or reason, and some examples are for the purpose of, for the sake of, for a reason, for the benefit of, for the good of. It can be used to indicate time or duration, for a while, for the time being, for ages, for years, for a moment. Can be used to indicate favor or support, for better or worse, for or against, for sure, for the win, for what it's worth. It can be used to indicate exchange or value, for free, for sale, for rent, for a price, for a song. And that's an expression that just means very cheaply. You can get it for a song. For can be used to indicate cause or effect, as in for fear of, for lack of, for the love of, for crying out loud. That's an expression used to indicate frustration. For good measure. And for can be used to indicate appropriateness or suitability. For example, for instance, for the record, for your information, or for keeps. For keeps is an expression that means permanently. And some miscellaneous expressions with for are for the fun of it, for what purpose, for all I know, for all intents and purposes, for all it's worth, for good, that also means permanently, for once, for a change, for real, for certain. All right, so let's practice the preposition for in sentences. I will say it and then you can repeat it after me and try to practice my prosody as well as paying attention to how for is used. So for in work-related settings, we can have some sentences such as, the manager approved the budget for the new project. This report was prepared for the quarterly meeting. We need to find a replacement for the team lead. I'm responsible for organizing the event next week. Thank you for your contributions to the proposal. This presentation is meant for the client's review. We've set a deadline for submitting the final draft. The company offers training programs for its employees. I have a meeting scheduled for 2 p.m. tomorrow. Could you double-check this document for errors? She was awarded a certificate for outstanding performance. They're brainstorming ideas for the upcoming campaign. He filled out the application for the job opening. This software was developed for streamlining workflows. The funds allocated for this project will be dispersed next week. Okay, so here are some examples of sentences using for in social settings. We organized a surprise party for her birthday. Thank you for inviting me to the dinner. Can you save a seat for me at the table? This gift is for you. I hope you like it. They planned a picnic for the weekend. I'm happy for you and your recent success. Let's meet at 6 p.m. for coffee. He's always there for his friends when they need him. She baked cookies for the charity bake sale. I bought tickets for the concert next month. What are your plans for the holidays? This dinner is for celebrating their engagement. I'm cheering for the local team at the game tonight. Could you put in a good word for me with the hiring manager? She left a message for you earlier today. All right, so that's all we have for the preposition for. I hope this helps. If you liked it, please subscribe. Thanks.